Previously it was called as primary melanoma of soft tissue, primary malignant melanoma of soft tissue. Now it is called clear cell sarcoma. So diagnosis is clear cell sarcoma. And this is the gene fusion that occurs in this case. Now this is a thigh tumor, large thigh tumor. This is the last case. What do you find? This is a huge tumor in the thigh, medial part of the thigh swelling. What are these cells? What are these cells? Epithelioid cells. I am dealing with epithelioid cells. See the cells abundant. See the material, very, very classical. So much material that we can get, binucleated cells. And what are the type of this? This is an epithelioid cells. And see the classical multinucleated, binucleated, all epithelioid cells. And these are the cells that are the epithelioid cells. We can find clear cell, and these are the epithelioid cells. And what are these epithelioid cell sarcoma? This is an epithelioid cell sarcoma. Can you anyone tell what are the types of epithelioid cell sarcoma? Two types, proximal, distal. Proximal occurs in the children, occurs in the hands, feet with good prognosis, produces in the ulcerative lesion. This is the distal type. Distal type occurs in children, produces ulcerative lesions, slow growing, prognosis good. But central type, which occurs in the pelvic girdle or shoulder girdle, these are very aggressive tumors and give rise to metastasis. This occurs in the femur. We find in the femur means it's a central type where there are plenty of epithelioid cells over there. But in cases of distal part, we find mixture of spindle cells and epithelioid cells with superficial ulcerations that occurs over here. See the ulcer. This is the distal type and this is the proximal type. So two types, proximal, distal, ulcerative lesions, spindle cells and epithelioid cells mixed. And proximal type for almost all are epithelioid cell origin. See the classical, this is a rhabdoid differentiation in the tumor itself with intracytoplasmic hyaline globules. And this is cytokeratin, EMA, desmin and CD34 positive. This is very important, IN1 expression, loss of IN1. What is IN1? It's tumor suppressor gene. So if it is lost, the tumor cells will proliferate. So this IN1 expression, this is loss, will give rise to this type of tumor because there will be a lot of proliferation in this case. And diagnosis is proximal type of epithelioid sarcoma. Now I come to the end. This is the first lecture where we covered round cell and epithelioid cell tumor. Next part I will cover the other cells. Thank you very much. So questions I will take later on because I think we are running short of time.